Are you looking for the best outdoor camping pillow? Well, you're in the right place. Whether you're heading out on a weekend camping trip, hiking through the wilderness, or simply relaxing under the stars, a good camping pillow can make all the difference in your comfort. In this video, we've done all the hard work for you, researching and testing hundreds of camping pillows to bring you the top 5 outdoor camping pillows on the market. From innovative designs to lightweight materials, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we break down the features, benefits, and unique qualities of each pillow to help you make the best choice for your outdoor adventures. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more details and the best deals on these amazing pillows. Let's dive in. Number 5. The MOBI Garden Outdoor Ultralight Camping Air Inflatable Pillow is perfect for campers who prioritize portability. Weighing only 80 grams and featuring a compact storage size of just 10 multiplied by 6 cm, this pillow is incredibly lightweight and easy to carry. Its polyester material ensures durability, while the inflatable design provides excellent neck and head support, making it ideal for both sleeping and relaxing. The sand and brown color options blend seamlessly with outdoor aesthetics. Pros: ultralight, compact, and easy to inflate. Cons: limited size options and may not suit those who prefer memory foam pillows. This pillow is a great choice for anyone seeking a balance of comfort and convenience during outdoor adventures. Number 4. The WESTTUNE Portable Inflatable Pillow offers excellent lumbar and neck support, making it ideal for campers and travelers. This lightweight pillow inflates quickly and packs down into a small size for effortless portability. Designed for durability and comfort, it's perfect for long hikes, camping trips, or even quick naps during travel. Pros: lightweight, portable, and supportive. Cons: simple design and limited advanced features compared to higher-end pillows. Choose this pillow if you're looking for an affordable, dependable option to enhance your outdoor sleep setup. Number 3. The FLEXTAIL Zero Pillow SAS stands out with its thoughtful design and premium materials. With a weight of just 160 grams and a compact storage size, this pillow is perfect for backpacking trips. It features a contoured shape that supports the neck, and its inner airbag is made from durable TPU. The soft polyester pillowcase adds extra comfort, while the quick inflate valve ensures easy setup. Pros: contoured design, high-quality materials, and excellent portability. Cons: slightly heavier compared to other ultralight pillows. This pillow is an excellent pick for those seeking both comfort and functionality on the trail. Number 2. The HIKEMAN Camping Pillow Memory Foam Cervical Pillow takes camping comfort to the next level. Its memory foam core offers superior neck and head support, adapting to your shape for maximum comfort. Whether you're camping, traveling, or napping, this pillow provides a cool, cozy experience. The compact design makes it easy to carry, and its durability ensures long-term use. Pros: memory foam comfort, excellent cervical support. Cons: heavier than inflatable pillows and less compact. This is the ideal pillow for campers who value comfort above all else and don't mind a slightly larger pack size. Number 1. The Naturehike Camping Travel Pillow is the ultimate outdoor companion. Combining a high-stretch sponge filling with a 3D foam design, it provides unparalleled comfort and support. Its self-inflating feature makes it incredibly convenient, while the lightweight construction ensures portability. Perfect for a variety of outdoor settings, this pillow adapts to your needs and delivers a luxurious sleeping experience. Pros: self-inflating, excellent comfort, and durable materials. Cons: slightly bulkier than traditional inflatable options. This pillow is perfect for campers who want a premium sleep experience without compromising on portability.